This is going to be a simple oil change on a Craftsman 30-inch 2-stage snowblower, but honestly it should apply to most makes and models. First thing you're going to do is turn it on, let it run for a few minutes to warm up the engine oil. Next step is to drive it over a piece of cardboard if you care about your floors. I gave the drain spout a bit of a bib here just to help with cleanup. On this model, you need a 10 mil and a 12 mil wrench, and you're gonna have the 12 mil on the spout. There are flats on it that are machined into it to help you hold it still, and then you can unbolt the drain plug with the 10 mil. I used a milk carton here to try to catch the oil, but this was a bad idea. I wasn't at my home garage, so I didn't have my oil pan with me, but yeah, definitely do as I say and not as I do. And you can tilt the snowblower backwards to try to drain out as much of the old oil as possible. Once that's done draining, you can go ahead and reinstall the drain bolt. Next step is to find out what the viscosity and volume of oil you need to use is. If you lost the owner's manual, you can look up the model number on Google and find out that way. Next, you're just gonna add your oil. I would recommend going a little bit under what you think the volume the engine will take is, and just add slowly until you're between the hash marks and you're good to go.